shoot.
Alright, Pyros, as promised, part 3, the cakes. So, in no particular order, got Turn It Loose by PK, 16 shot. Got Skylight, 36 shot. Might be 25, not 100% sure. Got a Bulldog Cake, very nice. And 2 more Hidden Dragons. Have 2 cases here. Some gold tops, missing a few. That's not right. Alright. Then our world class Pyro Panther, 500 gram. Don't know how many shots. Down low, got the infamous Bump Beer, Inoki. Got a Freedom Cake. Got Tombstone, 10 shot. Death Star, 12 shot. Again, no particular order. Got the Blue Planet. Got the Gold. Another Blue Planet. Got a 100 shot Chino Daytime. Got this beauty. Down here, we got the Mags. The Mags Cake, 238 shot. Right here, we have the Super 100. Here we have that cake. The Super 100 and this cake. Both will be my finale because I believe the Super 100 is very fast. Alright, behind here, we got the Forge, 100 shot Forge. Got a What the Hell. Got the Monkey. Got this cake, nice color. Right here we have the Deadly Alliance, 49 shot. Up top, we got a small 36 shot, 200 grammer, Blue Knights. And right here, we have Angel and Creed. So that pretty much wraps it up for in here. That's hot as fucking yeah, I mean, obviously there's a lot more shit. That case there. But yep, that's about it, Pyros.